Hello, we're going to show you all how to start and warm up the Haas MiniMill. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and hit the power on button and wait for it to boot up. There we go. Now we're going to check to see if our emergency stop button's pressed in. There we go, it was. So the way you turn that off is you twist it and you pull it out until you hear it click. That allows us to hit our power up restart button. There we go. And once you hit that, your machine will be booted up. But now we need to warm it up because it's not good to run a cold machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select our warm-up program. And to do that, we're going to hit List Program. Go down to our warm-up program, and then hit Select Program. And that will transfer it over into our memory. This right here. So we're not going to run this program until we get a tool in there, because this is a spindle spinning program to warm our machine up, and it's not good to run a spindle without a tool in it. So we're going to go ahead and go into handle jog mode, and I'm going to open up the door of the machine. I'm going to take a tool. I'm just using a 1/2-inch flat end mill. It doesn't really matter what you have in there so long as there is a tool spinning. Preferably not too big of a diameter. I'm going to take it in. I'm going to line it up with the two knobs on the inside. Hit the tool release button. And release. And now we've loaded our 1/2-inch end mill. So I'm going to close the door. I'm going to go back into our memory by hitting the memory button, and I'm going to hit cycle start. And now we wait until it's warmed up. Alright, so we've ran our machine at 5,000 RPM, 1,000 RPM, 2,500 RPM, 3,500 RPM, and 4,500 RPM. Throughout about a span of about 7 minutes, and it's now finished, so we have now warmed up our machine.